Zoology is to animals as botany is to blank. Letter A, rivers. Letter B, plants. Letter C, genes. Or letter D, insects. The correct answer is letter B, plants. Question number 2. Physiology is to science as law is to blank. Letter A, contract. Letter B, profession. Letter C, jurist. Or letter D, suit. The correct answer is letter B, profession. Question number 3. Happiness is to prosperity as condolence is to blank. Letter A, loneliness. Letter B, readiness. Letter C, awkward. Or letter D, contented. The correct answer is letter A, loneliness. Question number 4. Corn is to ear as cabbage is to blank. Letter A, head. Letter B, bunch. Letter C, flower. Or letter D, seed. The correct answer is letter B, bunch. Question number 5. Gun is to holster as sword is to blank. Letter A, pistol. Letter B, cadet. Letter C, scabbard. Or letter D, war. The correct answer is letter C, scabbard. Question number 6. Skin is to man as hide is to blank. Letter A, walls. Letter B, animal. Letter C, scales. Or letter D, clothes. The correct answer is letter B, animal. Question number 7. Tycoon is to business as virtuoso is to blank. Letter A, theater. Letter B, virtue. Letter C, diplomacy. Or letter D, music. The correct answer is letter D, music. Question number 8. Consanguinity is to blood as affinity is to blank. Letter A, race. Letter B, occupation. Letter C, marriage. Or letter D, faith. The correct answer is letter C, marriage. Question number 9. Statue is to sculpture as ballet is to blank. Letter A, director. Letter B, choreographer. Letter C, composer. Or letter D, prima donna. The correct answer is letter B, choreographer. Question number 10. Bilingual is to language as bicameral is to blank. Letter A, legislative. Letter B, council. Letter C, taxation. Or letter D, authority. The correct answer is letter A, legislative. Hope you get a perfect score mga ka-reviewer. Kindly comment your score and share this video. Maraming salamat mga ka-reviewer. Promo is still available mga ka-reviewer. If you want to avail our complete and updated 2023 Civil Service Exam Reviewer, you can message us on our Facebook page at All Exam Reviewers. Maraming salamat mga ka-reviewer and God bless. For more videos and reviewers, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel at All Exam Reviewers. Claim it, makakapasa ako.